Chapter 11 of Brave New World by Aldous Huxley explores the consequences of the previous events, particularly focusing on the aftermath of the scandal involving the director of hatcheries and conditioning, DHC, and Linda's return to civilization. Following the scandal, the DHC resigns from his position, embarrassed by the revelation of his past relationship with Linda and the existence of his son, John, also known as the Savage. Linda, on the other hand, finds solace in a permanent soma holiday, consuming dangerously high doses of the drug, leading her towards an inevitable death. Bernard Marx experiences a significant shift in his social standing. Initially ostracized and viewed with disdain due to his unorthodox views and physical appearance, Bernard becomes the center of attention in upper-caste London society as everyone is eager to meet John the Savage. Riding the wave of newfound popularity, Bernard's behavior changes dramatically. He boasts about his sexual exploits and even has the audacity to lecture the world controller, Mustapha Mond, in a report, thereby offending both his friend Helmholtz Watson and Mond. John's experience in this new world is markedly different. He grows increasingly disillusioned with the society that fascinates everyone around him. His idealized image of this new world crumbles as he faces its realities. A visit to a Fordian factory horrifies him to the point of vomiting, and his discovery that the Eton Library lacks any works of Shakespeare deepens his disillusionment. Shakespeare's works have been a source of comfort and moral guidance for John, and their absence highlights the cultural and spiritual void in this society. John's disillusionment continues when he goes on a date with Lenina Crown to a feelie, a popular form of entertainment designed to engage the senses of touch and smell into the cinematic experience. The feelie, which depicts a racially charged narrative of kidnapping and assault, leaves John aghast, particularly when compared to the tragic depth of Shakespeare's Othello. His inability to reconcile his values with the shallow sensory pleasures of the feelies drives a wedge between him and Lenina. At the end of their date, John refuses to engage in sexual activity with Lenina, leaving her confused and frustrated. Despite her advances, John feels unworthy of her, attributing a sense of purity to her that contrasts starkly with the societal norm of casual sex. Throughout the chapter, Huxley critiques the society of the world state by contrasting the experiences and reactions of John, the Savage, with those of its conditioned citizens. The soma dependency, the shallow pleasures of the feelies, and the superficial relationships underscore the moral and spiritual bankruptcy of this supposed utopia. John's reliance on Shakespeare not only reflects his struggle to make sense of this new world, but also serves as a beacon of individual thought and emotion in a society that has systematically eradicated both. Through John's eyes, the reader is invited to question the cost of stability and happiness in the world state, where true art, passion, and individuality have been sacrificed for the sake of societal cohesion and superficial contentment. Thanks for watching this Bookly Crash Course video. Make sure to check out my channel for the complete chapter-by-chapter summary playlist.